event, His Excellency Mr. Naveen Srivastav, Ambassador of India to Nepal, Honorable Deputy Prime Minister, Honorable Minister, Honorable Chief Minister and Minister of Lumbini Province, Honorable Members of Parliament, Honorable Members of the Provincial Assembly, Vice Chairman of the Lumbini Development Trust, government officials, distinguished guests, artists, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen. I really feel honored to be here today at this beautiful painting exhibition and a lively cultural evening jointly organized by the Embassy of India, Lumbini Development Trust, the Indian Council for Cultural Relations and the BP Koirala India Nepal Foundation on the auspicious occasion of the Buddha Jayanti here in Lumbini, the birthplace of Lord Buddha and a World Heritage Site. Coming to Lumbini has always been a distinct pleasure for me, and more so when it coincides with auspicious occasions such as the one that we are observing tomorrow as Buddha Jayanti. This place has immense historical and cultural significance for us and for the entire humanity as a center of world peace. Many important events have been hosted in this place, and every time we assembled here, we had sent a message for peace, message for harmony and understanding in the world. The government of Nepal has time and again expressed its commitment to develop Lumbini in such a way that matches its unique is a thoughtful decision. I would therefore like to extend my sincere thanks to the organizer for their tireless effort in bringing together such a splendid showcase of our cultural heritage. I must also express my admiration for the talented artists who have displayed their creative performance to enliven the evening and captured our utmost attention. We were excited to watch the various expression of their talents earlier today. About our distinguished artist, I would like to say that your creativity and passion has been truly inspiring. We recognize with deep appreciation your important role in preserving and enriching our cultural heritage. Cultural events such as this is sure to play a pivotal role in promoting cultural ties and strengthening bonds of friendship and cooperation between our two countries and between our two peoples. In the context of Nepal-India relation, cultural dimension occupies a special place as it has closely bound our two peoples from the time immemorial. Our cultural heritage is not just a source of pride, it is a treasure trove of wisdom, values and tradition that enrich our lives and shape our identity. Mutual understanding, trust, respect and cooperation built on this solid foundation define our age-old multi-dimensional relationship that is buttressed further by the geographical proximity and growing cross-sectoral and multiple engagement at different layers. The government of Nepal is fully committed to further strengthening Nepal-India ties in accordance with the aspiration of our people and also taking into account the changing realities and opportunities that are available for meaningful partnership in a number of areas. While are assembled in this sacred place, let me emphasize that Buddha's eternal message of non-violence, compassion and inner peace has become more relevant than before in today's world, which is marred by conflict, polarization and divisions, and where peace still remains a distant dream. I am sure that faithful pursuit of Buddha's teaching will help resolve dispute and foster harmony among individual communities and nation at large. In conclusion, let us cherish and celebrate the rich tapestry of cultures that makes up our world. May events like this continue to inspire us, uplift our spirits, and remind us of the beauty and diversity that surround us. Let the teaching of Buddha prevail all over the world to ensure peace and to ensure harmony. Thank you. Thank you very much.